Hello, Danita, look. Oh, hang on. This way. This way. It's Passion Pop, and it's a new flavour, mixed berry.
Don't know what berries they
We
are.
don't know what berries, and we just saw it today in Dan Murphy's. We haven't cracked it open yet. We're going to have a toast to you when we do.
Yay.
Because we've already finished the bottle of wine, obviously. Nathan, would you want to say something to Danita?
I like how you're talking like she's really slow.
No.
No, you gotta catch up with it.
I like ice cream!
Really slow, yeah.
Do sign language.
And oh, Nathan.
I don't know what to say.
Speak to Danita. Oh, Passion Pop.
Weird.
Say something.
She's in Oxford this weekend. I don't know why, but she said she was.
You're in Oxford, that's where Tommy Rock's from. Great, you probably meet him.
It's relatively unflattering line from the old website, isn't it?
I know, it is.
I have 16 chins.
It's got light up and contrast to catch her colour.
Yeah, that's Callum, yeah.
Colours and fat.
Is that still recording?
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
And stop.
Toodles!
Passion Pop.
That way.